We're out here on a new deck, but I'm going to talk about your deck at home right now. Everybody's kind of stuck, stir crazy, not sure what to do. So a lot of little things you can do to help maintain your home, and it's going to make it a lot nicer when you have a group of people back over to the house. So this particular product is a composite deck. People sometimes think that a composite deck is a maintenance-free deck. It's not maintenance-free. Everything in the world takes a little maintenance. So on this particular deck, you can power wash it. You can wash it. There's products available. I'll call it a bleach. It's made for wood and for composites that you can wash the deck and really bring it back to life. It really brightens it back up. So a good thing you can do right now. Now, if you have a wood deck, this particular one's not, but if you have a pine wood on yours, same thing. You can wash that deck. There's products available at your local hardware store or even the big box stores. And you can scrub it. You just take a scrub brush, put that product on there, scrub it, and then take a power washer or a hose. In most cases, you can just take a hose and wash it off. Kind of brings it back to life, and then if you want to add some stain on it, you can stain that deck, make it look almost brand new again. So it's a good project, a good really project for kids. You can even, as we're homeschooling a little bit right now, use it as a science project. Show them what bleach does, how it can brighten the wood up, how it kills the mold, takes everything away and brings it back to life. So I look at everything. I love teaching, so I look at everything and trying to teach somebody. So what a great way to take your kiddos out, work together, and as we're stuck at home, and do some of these little projects. So that's our tip of the week.